Namaste friends, this is Santosh Kinchamba. Friends, I'm in front of you today to talk to you about the things happening in Hathras. My dear friends, definitely what has happened in Hathras is very shameful and all of us have to definitely condemn it. And if there has been any lacks of duty from the government officials, whether it is the police department or the DM or whoever it may be, or the political class, they definitely have to be punished. The case has to be investigated and justice has to be given to the lady who lost her life. But at the same time, I would like to tell everybody, how right is it to take advantage of a sensitive issue like this for one's political benefit? How right is it for the media to take advantage of a sensitive issue like this to push their agenda and increase their TRPs? Doesn't this call for a more responsible analysis rather than playing into the hands of some of the vested interests? The nauseating thing is, some of the politicians, especially the Congress, has taken this issue to stay in political relevance rather than getting justice for the victims of this particular crime. Rape is a crime against humanity. Wherever it may be, rape should be condemned and the strictest action possible should be taken. And definitely, every state should investigate the lacunas and plug them and see that crimes like these are not repeated. It's not that crime is happening in only one particular state. These same politicians, I don't want to sound like a tutu mai, but at the same time, I want to bring out their duplicity in front of you all. The crime which happens against women in Rajasthan is not crime. The crime which happens in Kerala against women is not crime. And you have a rape accused, K.C. Venugopal, with you to go and investigate, or rather be a part of this whole rape tourism which you guys are doing. So, friends, I would like to bring to light the kind of crime which happens in Rajasthan against women stands the highest. Next comes Kerala. In Rajasthan, out of every 1 lakh such crimes, 11% happens in Rajasthan, 10% happens in Kerala, and 3.7% happens in UP. I'm not trying to tell 3.7% is less or more compared to the others. Crime is a crime. 3.7% is equally deplorable to how much 10.7% is. But what I'm trying to tell, the whole Congress party, which is trying to take this sensitive incident and make it an issue for their benefit, is definitely not right. And all of us should condemn any party, whichever party tries to use sensitive issues like these for their political advantage, should definitely be condemned. And this is not the first time. All of you all would remember Sukanya Devi. Where is Sukanya Devi today? This is a typical elitist attitude of trying to take advantage of crimes towards the poor. And coming about Dalit atrocities, do we need to learn from people like Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, the family which could not recognize the doyen of the Dalit cause, that is Ambedkar? The slaves of this dynasty might agree to the kind of drama which they are playing, but not us. Let us get serious. This is a crime against humanity and all of us should put our heads in shame and ensure every state where we are in starts working proactively towards this, whether in using the Nirbhaya funds or sensitizing the police officers to ensure crime against women are handled with care. Namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata.